Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you guys with a kind of quiet confessional type video because that's how I roll. But I got my GNC Pro Box in the mail today and I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. GNC Pro Boxes basically are seasonal. I think you get it every quarter or every season. I can't remember, but as I mentioned in previous videos, I'm kind of on that health journey, trying to get better kind of deal, and so I signed up for the GNC Pro membership. Now what the GNC Pro membership basically includes is you get all kinds of discounts and stuff like that, plus like I said, you get a seasonal box. The Pro membership costs like $40 a year, so in my opinion it's well worth it because these boxes are included in your Pro membership. You don't get charged for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys, show you what's inside, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is what it looks like on the inside as soon as you open it. It does tell you, you know, there's this little pamphlet here that says my GNC Pro Box, and what I love about this thing is that it actually tells you what's inside your Pro Box. So you get you can rack up rewards faster because you just can. You have all kinds of awesome things in here, and it looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 products in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I got. The first thing I have here is these calcium chews. You get they're the GNC brand. You get 600 milligrams of bone building calcium, 800 IU of vitamin D3 to enhance calcium absorption and maintains healthy teeth and bones. I take a calcium supplement every single day because besides the fact that my health is not great, I am anemic, and that's kind of, everybody always asks. My nails are kind of short right now because I just cut them. I wanted to play ukulele this summer with the boys, but my nails usually grow really long, my hair, my teeth, and so forth. So that's what I got, and this is a packet, and it's like got 3 chews in here. So that's really good. I also got the Beyond Raw Lit clinically dosed pre-workout banana taffy flavored. It does have 250 milligrams of caffeine, 3 grams of L-citrulline, and 3.2 grams of beta-alanine. This is a dietary supplement. Again, a sample. This is for like 1 dose. I don't really do these. I kind of just have my regular protein shake, just because caffeine has not been great to me lately. You guys know I kind of stopped drinking coffee because of my blood pressure was really high. I can drink things that have like green tea and stuff, but 250 milligrams of caffeine is a shit ton of caffeine. So definitely not something I would have. But the good thing is that, you know, it is my Pro membership, but my husband and I share it together, so that is also great. I also got a packet, a dietary supplement from Pro Performance. It is an essential amino complete in a flavor tangy tangerine. So this is again another dietary supplement type shake. Not something I would normally have, like I said. Hold on, let me look. 10 calories, 3 grams of carbs, 0 sugar. Actually, I might be able to have this one. I don't see that it says caffeine in here at all. So as a dietary supplement, mix 1 packet with 10 to 16 fluid ounces of cold water, consumed during workouts, post-workout, etc. So I might try this out and see how it goes. There is also these protein almonds in here, which I'm super excited to try. I have been really concentrating on my protein, as I stated in my weight loss video. I am on a keto or modified keto type diet, so this will be fun. It is by the brand ON or On. I'm not sure how that is. I see their stuff at like all the different stores, but it's protein almonds, 2 times the protein of regular coated almonds, 10 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, dark chocolate truffle flavor. So this will definitely be on my list. If I like it, I might just come and review it for you guys. I am really liking reviewing supplements and stuff like that that I have, so I will definitely come back and review that for you guys if I do like it. I got the Core Omega Max, supports joint cardiovascular health, 240 milligrams omega-3 for max benefit. So 1200 milligrams omega-3 plus D, 625 milligrams of EPA, and 425 milligrams of DHA. Citrus Burst, and you get a coupon here, so it's like a little packet. My husband will probably enjoy that. Women's Ultra Mega Energy and Metabolism 1 Daily, 1 per day multivitamin. Features thermogenic ingredients that may support calorie burning and mental sharpness, packed with B vitamins to support energy. This is a full size, 30 caplets in here. I don't like the fact that it is a thermogenic. It's just not really good for me, but again, blood pressure, but everything is cool. Something interesting. This Bang Potent Brain and Body Fuel in the color, in the flavor Purple Haze. It's got 0 calories per can, 0 carbs, 0 sugars. It does have caffeine in here, so this is something my husband would definitely enjoy. We've been kind of eliminating the carbs, the sugars, and everything in our diet lately, so I think that my husband would like that a lot for sure. Raw organic maca powder, I think that's how you say it, maca. Nutrient rich, energizing superfood. This is a bonus sample. It's got manganese, potassium, iron, and trace minerals for healthy cell structure. USDA organic and non-GMO. So Sun Foods Superfoods powder. That's what it looks like here. And that's super cool. Oh, focus. Woohoo. There we go. And then I also got the GNC App Advanced Muscle Performance Whey Bolic Protein. This is in the flavor. Why am I keep saying color? You know, it's a beauty blogger thing. Chocolate fudge flavored, 40 grams of protein, 15 grams of BCAA, 10 grams of leucine, and 1 gram of velocitol. So that is what you get here. 200 calories. Oh, total of 1.5 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar, 40 grams protein. You got 200 milligrams of calcium, 1.2 milligrams of iron, sodium is 230 milligrams, and potassium 380. So there's a lot of good things in here. Oh, it's got creamer in here. It's sunflower oil, corn syrup solids, and sodium caseinate. But this is something my husband will probably enjoy because, again, the caffeine. But 40 grams of protein for 1. And it basically says consume the whole packet with 8 fluid ounces of water. Oh, that means this is going to be pretty thick if it's only 8 ounces of water. Or your favorite beverage. Pre-workout, post-workout, whatever. So that's pretty cool. And then last but not least, a kind of bonus item for the pro members. It looks like here, it's a gift to you, a running belt. So I actually have a few of these around the house and one in my workout bag because I put my cell phone inside. So I'm actually going to give this to my husband. He's going to start working out pretty rigorously soon. So I mean, the ones that I have, that's why I have pink and purple and stuff like that. So I think he would really enjoy this. But I love these because the pouch expands big enough to where you can pretty much fit your phone. We always have our inhalers on us because we're asthmatic. So, you know, the inhaler, the keys, all of that good stuff can kind of go in here. They're worn on the actual waist. And I think ultimately it's just a great thing to have. Whether you are running or walking or even at the gym working out, I like using mine just because it makes it simple. And if not, then I use one of these armband things to hold my phone, and then I clip my keys on the inside normally. But that is all the awesome stuff that I have in my GNC Pro Box. I guess this is the spring box. Like I said, I believe it's seasonal. I might be wrong, but I am really excited to try out some of these things. That's why I wanted to share it with all of you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love videos like this, different types of unboxings and so forth, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, like I said, there are some products in here that I will personally not be using, but many that I'm excited for. So I'll try to review them, even if it's a small sample. I'll talk about it a little bit. I really want to start reviewing products that I've been enjoying and loving, and therefore you guys have an idea as to what to get, especially those almonds. I'm totally stoked about that. Like, you don't even know. But definitely, like I said, comment down below. Let me know if there's anything in particular here you want me to review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you haven't subscribed already. And thanks so much for joining me, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.